Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Algorithm Pod. My name is JNTUH. So today I am here with a new series of data mining. So in this series we are going to explore about data mining. So make sure you watch this playlist right from the start so that you can understand topics in a more clear way. So let's get started. Now, before we jump into explanation over there, let's try to understand what data mining actually means. So if we split this word into two parts, data. Now what is data? Basically data is a set of observations about which are gathered for use for gaining information. From data we can gain some information, like to understand what that data is meaning is implying to what. Basically to understand that we are gathering some data. Now data mining is a process of discovering or understanding patterns or trends over a particular large set of data. So we have large set of data. Let's say we have an data about an e-commerce website. Now we want to observe what users are purchasing and what kind of products are users are purchasing, basically over what period of time, and how many other similar products are they going for. We want to explore that so that we can get more tractions, more amount of engagement on our sites. So that is the one of the applications of data mining. So now this data mining is not only limited to e-commerce website. It can be used in many applications, many domains basically. Now let's try to make it more simpler. So basically you are given consider this scenario where you are given some set of data, anything. You are given some set of data and you are asked to explain what can you make of that data. So that is what data mining actually is, to understand what that particular set of data or set of observations are implying to. Now when I talk about data, let's try to understand what the types of data, what are the different types of data which are present. So basically there are two categories of data. One is structured data and another one is unstructured data. Structured data, in the sense the name itself is implying that data is organized in a specific format, like data is arranged in, you can say it as rows and columns, something like that. So common example will be the financial transactions, where your transaction ID, the amount and the time of the transactions are written in a ordered manner based on the time it has been done. Now unstructured data which do not have a specific format, you can arrange it in any way, like in this case we have images, audio, video, like some of the it will be usually in the form of this: images, video and audio. Now the common example of this is your social media post. You do not have any order, you do not have any kind of specification uh, regarding the social media post. Same goes for customer reviews as well. So I hope you understand, the data mining simply means process of discovering patterns over a large set of data set. So guys, that's it for this video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel Algorithm Pod, hit the bell icon for future notification, and I will see you in the next video.